Hi guys, in today's video we are going to take a look at surface roughness. In the current standards for the evaluation of the surface of components, the parameters RA, RZ and RQ are used. For components and with common surface character requirements, the surface character parameters used in the practice and the profile roughness parameters mean arithmetic deviation of the roughness profile RA and the maximum height of the roughness profile RZ. The numbers of the preferred values of the arithmetic mean deviation of the RA profile shown in red in the table are sufficient to prescribe the surface roughness of components for common applications in engineering production. In practice, the numerical values of the maximum profile height RZ are chosen to be the same as the value of the parameter RA. In this table, you can see comparisons of the approximately corresponding numerical values of the surface roughness parameters RA and RZ. The values of the parameters of the character of the surface of the parts must be prescribed on the drawings mainly from the point of view of answering the correct function of the part, from an economic point of view, and from a technological point of view. That's all for today's video. You can left your comment down below and write some questions, or you can give me a tips what would you like to see in the next time. Also, please subscribe to this channel and see you in the next time. Bye.